I was just done feeding my turtle, and this happened. I dropped it in. This is a new brand table. It's still going. It's still going. It's so big. It's bigger than a camera. I'm gonna get you guys a screenshot. I can't even fit in the camera, so here's a screenshot. Just turn your phone. Sunflower seeds. 3, 2, 1. I'm about to jump out this cliff. Whee! Whoa! I got Mickey D's, which stands for McDonald's. I am getting dizzy. You can't see. I am spinning around. Sorry, cameraman. My brother is still at middle school. I'm gonna put you guys in the refrigerator. I just wanted to see how it was in the refrigerator for a film. I gotta do the squid. It's about to end.